talk about ways in which a Christian can use leisure time. Tell me the ways that a Christian can use leisure time. Yes, that's where we are. That's where we were yesterday, right? Yes, ways that a Christian can use leisure time. Yes? Yes? Yes, visiting the sick. Somba. Reading the Word of God. Yes, you spend time with your family and friends. Yes. Sorry? Charity work. Sorry? Yes, singing in the church choir. Yes, very good. Taking care of the environment. Feeding the orphans. Yes. There? Taking? Yes, taking care of the needy. Yes, you go for retreats and conferences. Let me ask you, when you went to the toilet, why did you remove your tie? Were you in the toilet? Or you went to see a teacher? Oh, you usually remove all the clothes when you're getting in. What the hell? Why would you do that? It is smelly. It is stinking. Who's the prefect there? Ndungu, what is your work? They are washed every day. You're sure they are cleaned every day? There's no soap sometimes. Oh, we got the old. So we continue worshiping God. You attend church. You also read the gospel or the word of God. Or you read any other Christian literature or Christian magazines, Christian novels. I see many of them around. You visit the sick. You care for the needy. You take time and rest. You go on a retreat. You also spend time with family and friends. You participate in church activities. Like, for example, you can opt to teach the Sunday school. You sing in the church choir. You take care of the environment. You clean church and its compound by watching Christian programs and listening to Christian music and taking a nap. There's another leisure activity I saw, and